In this video, we are going to see how to customize a material in Showcase. So first, let's select our material. There are three ways to select a material. You can press Alt and click on your object, or you can select the material selection tool and click on your object, and finally you can come in the Scene tab and click on the material you want to edit. In the Details tab, you will see the material parameters, and first the tiling. The tiling will allow you to resize your texture for each layer. Normally, for each material, you will have 2 layers per parameter. And if you want to change the tiling for the layer 1, this is where you do it. You can also change the rotation, and the same applies for the layer 2. We have different parameters. All parameters are not the same for each material. Here we have the base color. You can change the color of the material. You have also the layer 1. This is where you can put your texture. You just drag and drop the texture here, or you click here to import a new texture. And the same for layer 2. For now, the 2 textures are hidden. It's a little bit dark, so we will change the lighting. So for that, I just select my lights and I change the intensity in the Details tab. Alright, that's good. Let's go back to our material parameters. There is this feature for quick editing. Once your layer is activated, each texture dropped on your object will be directly set on the activated layer. This feature is very practical if you want to make a lot of changes to your texture without going back and forth to your material details. In another video, we will see more in details how to add your own design on an object. Here, you can change the blending mode of the layer 2, depending on what you try to achieve. Next, we have parameters such as metallic, roughness, and refraction. These parameters will get black and white textures. The white color will be equivalent to 100%, and the black color will be equivalent to 0%. In this example, we can see that the metallic effect is affecting the way the material look, where the pixels are white. We can change here the strength of the metallic parameter. We can hide the texture if we want and just use the entire value. Then we can play with the roughness. And the same, the roughness will get a black and white texture. And finally, we have a special parameter, the normal parameter. Because the 2 layers are quite different, layer 1 will require a normal texture that looks like this. Let's make some quick changes. And if you don't have a normal texture, you can have one created automatically for you. If you use, for example, a black and white texture, you can change the intensity here. And you can also blend the two layers. Now, let's add some grains on our business card and see how it looks. So, I guess that looks quite okay. 2, yeah, 2 is good. So, I guess we are good. Alright, that's it guys for this video, and see you in the next one.